So today I have a new video about this hard drive which has some important files on it, and yeah, we wanted to be able to get the files back, and we took it apart, and the problem seems to be something on this board. Surely the on off button, but we don't know. Surely the battery peeled away all the things, and it's this. Could be the protection module, but I'm not going to show you it, but I'm going to actually check the voltage on this battery. Yeah, well, I can show you. Yeah, I can show you it. So, I have this display of the battery. We have the top, so this is the model if you're interested. And then what it has inside is, we're copying the files to the computer right now. Can't show you that very well, but it took out the hard drive, that's why it's not in here. But there's a few wires dangling out. Here, what else? Let me try and show you this. Just making sounds. Just tap the camera. You can see here's the hard drive and it's copying. Very warm. Very warm. That's normal. I can and put it back on this stand. Yeah. So, yeah, surely it's something like that. So, in the next part of the video, let's test the battery. So let's test the battery. So now let's test the battery. I'll zoom in for this part because I need to see the contacts. Well, we have this battery. Trying to put it like this. Set the multimeter to 20. Difficult to film a multimeter and a battery. So we have the multimeter reading, flip. I'll tell you the readings. Don't zoom out a bit because I can't film the multimeter and the battery. So let's put it. Won't be looking through the camera because it's a bit annoying to look through the camera. Now let's measure. Oops, thing's falling. But it said 0 volts right there. Yeah. It said 0 volts. But this battery is falling. Try and measure. There's something. There was something for a second. What is there in the battery? I'm interested. 4 volts. That should be enough, shouldn't it? 4 volts. Yeah, that should be enough. Should be enough. That's enough. Why doesn't it turn on? I'm interested about this. I'm interested of pinpointing the fault. Zooming into the power button. Don't have very well access though. Let me just close the door because lots of sound coming from there. Oh, it's the screws. Well, let me get the screwdriver out. The iFixit Protect. Here we have our iFixit Protect circuit. This has all the bits you need. And I have this magnet to stick to the refrigerator to put on the things. I'm going to get out the screw bit I need. We just confirm that this works. Yeah, this works. Okay. Zoom into the screws. See better. Ooh, is there some screw under this label? Let me see. Yeah. It's a... Let me just see if I can do this. Don't know if I want to break this completely. So I filmed this, but I had to delete the video. So exactly what I did is I took out the screws, but the camera fell sometimes. So I'm actually going to try and show you this again. So I was trying to test those, but I couldn't because it's very weird to try and press a button and at the same time check. So I'm going to do this like this, and there should be. I think I'm trying. You heard the beep for a second, but as this is very weird to film, super weird to film, can't get it working. But I did hear the beep, and that's the copy button. So this one will be even challenger, because this one don't hear a beep. There it is. Hear that? It says 26 ohms. Apology for not seeing the multimeter, but it says 0.26. So that's okay. So what else should I test? That's got infinite resistance. Ooh, where's the ground here? There should be a ground on this chip. Well, let's do the check that everyone does. That is rubber ground and test around the capacitors. This one doesn't have anything. I need to poke this somewhere. Maybe just poke it there. No. Oh yeah. Should be some of these chips. Ooh, what's on that chip? Flux? What? What's that? No, I can't show you it, but this chip has something strange in it. Take a look at it. Put that on the lid of my multimeter. Don't know what that is now. What else could I check? Can't touch this wire, it will break. This chip has no grounds. Check this cap. One? Let me go with that cap. Suspicious fault. It doesn't have a resistance. Oh, there it is. It says 1016. It says 1016, so I'm not going to mess around with that. If you're interested about those chips, I can zoom in. Take a look at those chips if you want, if you're interested about them. Take a look at those mini ones if you want. Take a look at that model number, 408.4R. And yeah, that was it for this video. And we didn't find the fault, but the suspected fault for now is that capacitor. And bye, and see you on another video. Bye for now. Bye.